In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign signing responsibilities using DocuSign. This will just take around 5 minutes, and by the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to manage signatures smoothly and efficiently. To get started, head over to the DocuSign website. DocuSign stands out as a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for handling your documents digitally. If you haven't visited their site before, just know it's intuitive, packed with features, and designed to streamline the entire signing process. On reaching the homepage, the next thing to do is to log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed, so click on it to proceed. If you're familiar with DocuSign, you've probably already got an account. But if not, it's simple enough to set one up. Just make sure to register before moving forward with this process. Once you've logged in, navigate to the DocuSign home area. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Here you can see your previous documents, the current status of any ongoing signing processes, and access tools to manage new documents. It's user friendly, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. The next step is to add recipients. Now this is crucial, as these are the individuals who will be signing your document. Click on the option to add them. It's important to double check that you've got the right email addresses and names, as this will ensure there's no delay in the signing process. You don't want to send a document to the wrong recipient and have any confidential information end up in unintended hands. After adding your recipients, it's time to set the signing order. This feature is particularly helpful if the signatures need to occur in a specific sequence. By assigning the order, you ensure the document follows your intended workflow, whether it's for approval or another reason. To do this, simply click on Set Signing Order and arrange the recipients in the appropriate order. This little step can save you from headaches later on, especially in scenarios where hierarchy matters. And there you have it. A straightforward sequence to assigning signing responsibilities in DocuSign. With these steps, you're not just saving time but also ensuring that your documentation process is as efficient and organized as possible. So go ahead and start with your documents. The more you practice, the more seamlessly you'll handle multiple recipient signing tasks in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on streamlining your business processes. Thanks for joining today, and see you next time.